So I drove from Redwood National Park to Lassen National Park. But what happened during my motorcycle ride is there is a Dixie fire in the northern side in the northern California. So I couldn't go through 36 and 299, so I added 3 more hours to my trip. So I went all the way up to 101 to 199, Oregon, California to Oregon, and then back down to 5 south. Then I took 36 west to Lassen. And then when I got here, it's closed. The park's closed. The Mineral Lodge said that somehow they missed my name on their list. They have me reserved on July 14, but that's fine. I was able to get some rest. And, Lassen, I would have liked to come to Lassen Volcanic National Park, it's one of the national parks, but next time there was. So, although Yellowstone is arguably the best known park for like steaming hypothermal features, California is home to its Lassen Volcanic Fiery Park. So it has, it's beautiful. We should go ahead and we should see it one day. But the parks has, it's kind of underrated as well. Same thing as Pinnacles National Park. A lot of people has not heard of the park itself, the national park, but it's got it's got its volcanic past and boiling pools and pits of like steaming water, so it's worth the visit. Coffee for the morning. This is my pack for the touring. Here's my helmet and my jacket. I filmed this motorcycle adventure to national parks through twisty roads, but the 299 and the 36 were closed because of the Dixie fire, so I had to reroute from Highway 1, this is Highway 1 by the coast, and then I'll go up to 199 and tackle I-5 south, then from there go to Lassen Volcanic National Park. I'm not sure though if the park was going to be open for because of the Dixie fire, but I guess I'll find out when I get there. This is still 101. Unfortunately, I had to add 3 to 4 hours to my ride, so I was already halfway exhausted. I had to stop and get some sleep. So this is I-5 South. I had to go to Oregon because I had to reroute. But anyway, that mountain that you see from afar there, that's Mount Shasta. Mount Shasta is a potentially active volcano at the southern end of the Siskiyou County, California. It has an elevation of 14,179 feet, which is about 4,321 meters. And during the last 10,000 years, this Shasta erupted has erupted an average of every 800 years, but in the past 4,500 years, I guess it has an average eruption of every 600 years. And the last eruption occurred in 1250, so I guess we're due pretty soon. That's kind of scary. So this is 36 east from I-5 south on my way to Lassen. So heading to Yosemite National Park from Lassen Volcanic National Park. It's closed because of the Dixie Fire, but we'll go through Sonora Pass. Oh, well, 99. I guess we'll figure it out where the way is going to be open.